So a bit about us. CivicDataLab is a private research lab focused on connecting data, tech, design and social science, the four key pillars, to strengthen the course of civic engagements in the country. How we do it is by making public data much more accessible to citizens and help them better engage with the public reforms. We also build capacity of government, civil society organizations, media houses, etc. to enable data-driven decision making. I am your host, Gaurav Godhwani, Director Co-Founder of the organization. And this is my team. These people have been working really hard to make sure that public data is much more accessible to all of you, and we are able to make the best use of it. So just for your information, what is open data? So open data is data which is timely available. It's interoperable, so it's available in machine readable format. It's available in form of APIs. It's free for you to reuse, and it promotes universal participation. So anyone and everyone who has access to it can participate with the data. There is no legal restriction for you to not reuse it, or you can't use it for commercial purposes, etc. So that's what we work on. We make sure that more and more citizen data is available and open. So how we do it? We are committed to grow the open data ecosystem by making sure this data is available open by default. We collaborate and co-create with several civil society organizations. We have several multiple stakeholders whom we work with. We work very closely with civil societies, academicians, government organizations, etc. We create feedback loop around this data so that creators of this data get the feedback on how they can further improve upon the data, and we engage with the community with events like this. And our focus sectors are public finance, law and justice, urban planning and education. These are some of our platforms. Open Budgets India, so if you search for any budget data in the country, you would find it here most likely. Close to 18,000 datasets are available here. Justice Hub, which is a crowdsourced law and justice community data platform. Open Contracting India, which is a platform which we have created with our event co-partners, Open Contracting Partnership. And our friends have come down into India for this event and to meet all of you. Here we have published public procurement data for last 5 years, and thanks to the Government of Assam, they have opened up 36,000 tender information for everyone to explore, work around, see how several departments in Assam have been performing. And this is one of the crucial data sets which we have used in the data model, which my friends would be talking about in a minute. There are other platforms which are in making. We are working with our friends at the Center for Budget and Governance Accountability to build district-wise dashboards. Also with Godhwani Foundation to build city-level data platforms. So just quick summary of our work in Assam. We came here in 2018. Finance department invited us to build several capacity building initiatives here. And then we collaborated with Aspire to conduct several workshops in terms of how they can better use the data. Aspire is the special project going on in the finance department. And with our efforts, then Finance Minister, now Chief Minister, made an announcement that they would publish public finance data, especially budget data, in open formats in 2019's Budget Speech of Assam. Using that, we have created Assam Budget Explorer with our partners CBGL, and we also have worked with UNICEF to promote youth participation in budget program, helping citizens submit their budget suggestions to the government. In 2021, we worked with Hug Center for Child Rights to publish data related to crime against children, especially sexual crimes against children, on a district-wise basis. Close to 25,000 cases we analyzed in Assam. And now, in 2022, we are working on these two initiatives in Assam, Justice Hub and Open Contracting India. And with Open Contracting India, we are trying to specifically see how we can better leverage the data which is available to prepare for floods and have a better response mechanism. Thanks a lot, everyone.